That doesn't even look safe, guys. Oh. Okay. Okay, we're good. Okay, we're looking good, guys. Okay, I'm lying. Okay, guys, please just follow me. Just follow me on my new domain, guys. It's worth it. I promise you. I'm gonna put out some. Oh no. Oh no. I'm gonna put out some really good stuff for you guys. I hope you really love it. I really fucking put my heart and soul into these products, like these hats. Oh my god, guys. Look at that. That's a whole ass lake. We just achieved so much, bro. High five, bro. Noggin, bro. Noggin. Let's go. Okay. Oh. Ooh. So I never even been on this walk before, guys. That's why it's so exciting. I never even been on a walk when it's raining like this. Like it's giving me flashbacks, you know, like it's crazy. Oh my god. There's like an ocean. I hear a river. I hear something behind us, bro. It sounds, you hear that? It sounds so soothing. Like, what is that? The water trail. Maybe it's called a water trail. Oh man. This looks like a, oh no. This is a whole ass lake over here, bro. Oh my god. Did you see that? Okay, follow me. Follow me online. That's what you're gonna see. You're gonna see some handmade beanies. Like, I put my heart and soul in these. You're gonna love it. Oh man. And I made the leather patch myself. Look, I embroidered it and everything. Oh. Anyways, you guys are gonna love it. Like, the storyline is when I first got inspired to make my first beanie. Like, I was approached by this lady at the library, and she was like, I love your